Caitlin is.
Why is Caitlin?
Right.
Technically, Mom bought the Sprite.
You bought it without informing us.
You run the corner store or gas station.
Don't run it.
Someone's demolition.
She can do the jazz hands.
No, don't do that.
Oh, lovely.
Smell like a blue dog.
Oh my god, no, we should start singing Carol.
You come to my house.
Hey, Holly.
You feel that?
Are you sure you can imagine
That last bit.
You're gonna kill me.
Why? How am I gonna kill
Lovely.
you?
Say something.
I don't know. I'm just randomly filming things.
Holy course you are.
I think it looks like I'm having a seizure if you were to watch this back, because I'm like shaking.
Don't worry. I get to see this after, alright?
Oh no. I'm gonna say the names of 80 black sitcoms. I'm pretty sure you're a chicken mom. If you have to be any questions, 80 black sitcoms will be my answer.
Oh my god.
Wow.
80 pretty sure you make give birth to all the little chickens in the world. I'm pretty sure you can 80 black sitcoms. So, okay, maybe.
Haley, I want to go back here into a ceiling again.
What? It was a glass wall.
Okay, a glass
wall.
a pane of glass. Okay. And everyone heard that too.
Everyone heard it. Really we will like reenact this. Tiffany and I get you a juice box.
Because we didn't catch it on tape.
Now who wants to go around?
Evil Iguana caught their zombie attack on tape, yet we couldn't get our attack of
I wonder
Caitlin.
why.
Simmer forgot to save it. We should put a big X on your picture right now. That would be like perfect.
Masturbating on my hand. No, Leah just has sexual fantasies about me and her. Are you pretty sure it's the other way around?
Maybe both of you have fantasies about each other.
No, I'm pretty sure it's not. I don't think that way.
One day we're just gonna catch it on film. You guys getting closer and closer.
No sexy. Oh, God. Yeah, where's that?
Wow.
Hey, Holly.
Well, Leah did just come out of the closet.
Really?
Yeah, she came out of that one.
Let's go. That closet, Caitlin?
Yeah, that closet. There is no closet, there is a door. That is a closet. That is an art supply door.
It's an art supply closet.
But it's an art supply closet, okay? You came out of it. No, I did not.
I don't know. Holly! Juliana will at least let me film her. She won't like, she'll at least cover her face.
Stop the tape. Oh my god.